DNA is apparently same for most of the organism. Yet everyone is so different. Have you wondered why? Ever wonder how scientists decode the mysteries of proteins in our bodies? Welcome to the fascinating world of proteomics. Let us delve into the study of the phenotypic molecule protein present in the lower strata of the central dogma. But their studies is not so easy. Proteomics is the large-scale study of proteins, the building blocks of life. Proteins are responsible for everything from transporting oxygen to regulating our metabolism. But why study them? To understand diseases, develop new drugs, and even explore personalized medicine. In proteomics, scientists use advanced tools like mass spectrometry to identify, quantify, and analyze thousands of proteins simultaneously. By mapping protein interactions and changes, proteomics can uncover disease mechanisms and pave the way for breakthroughs in treatments. Proteomics is revolutionizing science and medicine, unlocking the secrets of life, one protein at a time. Explore proteomics. Unlock the future.
Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of big data and proteomics? Join us for a 4-day introductory online workshop, happening from January 27th to January 30th, 2025. This workshop is your gateway to understanding how cutting-edge proteomics connects with immunology and clinical research. Designed for both beginners and professionals, this workshop will guide you through the evolving landscape of LC-MS/MS-based proteomics. You'll explore the latest advancements in omics technologies and learn how to harness the power of big data analytics in clinical research. You'll benefit from live mentor-guided sessions, hands-on practicals, and access to recorded lecture videos. Plus, we'll provide you with supplementary materials, online technical support, and powerful open-source tools for analysis. Register now and take your first step into the cutting-edge world of proteomics and immunology.